Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best Google smartwatch is probably one of the most anticipated wearables of the year, and for good reason. It's packed with features, from fitness tracking to notifications, and it looks great on your wrist. But is it the right smartwatch for you? In this video, we'll dive deep into the Google smartwatch, exploring its design, performance, and overall value to help you decide if it's worth your hard-earned money. Number 5. Fitbit Versa 4 Smartwatch. This is the Fitbit Versa 4. It's designed to help you stay active and achieve your fitness goals. It offers a range of features to track your progress and keep you motivated. With built-in GPS and workout intensity maps, it helps you track your exercises accurately. It also monitors your heart rate 24/7 and offers over 40 exercise modes to choose from. You can also get your daily readiness score. The Versa 4 provides tools to measure and improve your sleep. It offers personalized sleep profiles, sleep stage tracking, and a smart wake alarm. It helps you understand and improve your sleep patterns. It helps you manage stress with a daily stress management score and guided breathing sessions. It also includes SpO2 tracking and a health metrics dashboard to keep you informed about your well-being. It allows you to take Bluetooth calls, texts, and notifications. It also features Fitbit Pay, Amazon Alexa built-in, and Google Wallet and Maps. Plus, it has a battery life of 6+ days. Get personalized insights, advanced analytics, and guided programs with the included premium membership. This helps you get the most out of your Versa 4 and achieve your fitness goals. What we like. This watch offers a daily readiness score, helping you understand when to push yourself and when to recover. It also tracks your heart rate around the clock, giving you a comprehensive view of your health. If you are looking for a fitness tracker that provides personalized insights and long battery life, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The watch is durable, easy to use, fits well, and does all of the things I want it to do. I mostly use it to track steps, heart rate, workouts, check the weather, and set timers at work. Phone call feature is nice, seems to work okay. I can hear them, they can hear me. Number 4. Amazfit Bip 3 Pro Smartwatch. This watch boasts an impressive battery life, lasting up to 14 days on a single charge with typical use. You can enjoy weeks of activity without the hassle of frequent charging. It's designed to keep up with your busy lifestyle. Easily monitor your daily step count and track the total distance you cover. This feature helps you stay motivated and reach your fitness goals. You can view your progress at a glance, whether it's daily, weekly, or monthly. Gain insights into your sleep patterns with detailed sleep tracking. It monitors your REM, deep sleep, light sleep, and even daytime naps. This data helps you understand your sleep quality and improve your rest. Keep track of your heart rate, blood oxygen levels, and even stress levels with ease. These health metrics provide valuable information about your body's performance. It allows you to quickly see how hard you're working. Customize the look of your watch with a variety of watch faces. You can change the appearance to match your outfit, workout, or mood. You can even add your own custom photo background. The watch features a highly accurate GPS system, utilizing GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, and QZSS. This ensures precise location tracking for all your outdoor activities. It provides accurate data for your workouts. This watch is water-resistant up to 5 atm, making it suitable for swimming, showering, and outdoor activities in the rain. It's durable and ready for your active lifestyle. You don't have to worry about water damage. What we like. With its impressive 14-day battery life, this watch keeps up with your active lifestyle without frequent charging. The strong GPS ensures accurate tracking of your outdoor activities. If you are someone who values long battery life and reliable GPS tracking, this watch is an excellent companion for your daily adventures. What people say. The watch has a beautiful design. The watch is very easy to use. The battery life is great. Number 3. Amazfit GTS 4 Mini Smartwatch. This watch supports 5 satellite positioning systems. It uses circularly polarized antenna technology to improve positioning performance and accuracy. This helps you make the most of your outdoor journeys. With Amazon Alexa, you can easily set alarms, ask questions, and get translations. It also has the Zepp OS, which features over 10 mini apps to enhance your daily life. Easily test your heart rate, blood oxygen saturation, and stress level with a single tap. It provides in-depth monitoring of sleep quality to keep you on top of your health. Whether you're walking, running, cycling, or doing yoga, you'll find a sports mode for it. It also has smart recognition for 7 sports, so it can jump into action quickly. With a water resistance grade of 5 atm, you can wear it in the pool or at the beach. The watch's pool swimming and open water swimming sports modes can track your swimming data. This ultra-compact smartwatch packs a mega-powerful 270 mAh battery. It brings 15 days of endurance on typical usage and up to 45 days of battery life on battery saver mode. What we like. This watch comes with Alexa built in, making it easy to manage your day with voice commands. It also boasts a long 15-day battery life, perfect for those who are always on the go. If you like the convenience of voice assistants and a wide variety of sports modes, this watch will be a great fit for you. What people say. It has all the same features as the name brands and probably half the cost. After having wearing the watch for almost 2 weeks, I will say the battery charge holds very well. It was down to 30% after wearing it non-stop for 13 days. Most of the features work as advertised. I slept with the watch on my wrist and the sleep time was correct. The steps matched the steps on my Apple Fitness app, and the heart rate seems correct. Number 2. Lutron Caseta Smart Dimmer Switch Kit. This kit lets you easily add smart lighting to your home. It works with popular smart home systems like Alexa, Apple Home, and Google Home, offering convenient control. The included Pico remote lets you control lights from anywhere in your home. It has a long battery life and works through walls, giving you flexibility. This smart dimmer switch can make any light smart, even existing ones. You can save money and keep your bulb styles open by putting smart lighting at the switch. Manage your lights from anywhere using the Lutron app. You can set scenes, schedules, and use features like geofencing and timers for advanced control. The Caseta Deluxe Dimmer Switch has a sleek, modern design. It allows you to fully control your lights, with buttons to raise or lower the light level. The Smart Hub works without Wi-Fi, ensuring fast and reliable smart lighting. It won't slow down your other Wi-Fi devices. The kit includes a Smart Hub, dimmer switches, Pico remotes, and wall plates. It provides everything you need to get started with smart lighting. What we like. This smart dimmer switch kit seamlessly integrates with your existing smart home ecosystem. You can control your lights remotely using the included Pico remote. If you are looking to upgrade your home lighting with ease and convenience, this is the perfect solution for you. What people say. It was very easy to install, even for the 3-way switch. With the app you have complete control of every switch individually, thanks to the tiny hub that ties them all together using its own wireless network. You can also create scenes and schedules to control them separately or together in groups for different scenarios. Number 1. Amazfit BIP 6 Smartwatch 46mm. This watch features a lightweight aluminum build that blends style with durability. The 1.97 AMOLED display keeps your data easy to read, even in bright sunlight. This fitness tracker offers 140+ workout modes, including Hyrox race and strength training. It also provides personalized AI coaching and 50 water resistance. This smartwatch powers through your training and recovery for up to 2 weeks at a time. You don't need to worry about nightly charging. Stay on course with free downloadable maps and turn-by-turn directions. Support from 5 satellite systems ensures precise tracking of every move and fast GPS connection. This smartwatch provides precise, real-time monitoring of heart rate, sleep, blood oxygen, and stress. It empowers you with actionable insights to optimize your health and fitness. What we like. Featuring a vibrant AMOLED display, this watch makes it easy to view your stats, even in bright sunlight. The accurate GPS tracking ensures you never lose your way, and with 140+ workout modes, you can track almost any activity. If you enjoy outdoor activities and want a watch with a clear display and extensive workout options, this is the one for you. What people say. Easy screens to maneuver. I use it to track my heart rate and steps, which it does pretty well at. It's nice to be able to answer a phone call over the watch when I'm busy with my hands. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.